Yes, Manjot Singh, what you gonna do now?
I'm gonna make these cards move by themselves.
Okay, how you gonna do it?
1, 2, 3, move.
What the hell? Now you can stop too?
Stop. Move.
What?
Stop. Move.
Okay, move your hand now. No, move your hand from the top. There might be trick. Move your hand from the top. Okay, can you move? Can you make it move now?
Move.
What? Can you make it stop now?
Stop.
What is this? How you doing it? Again?
Magician's trick or
Okay.
wizard trick.
Again?
Move.
What is it?
Move.
You gonna move?
Move.
Move your hands. No,
Stop.
move your hand first. Move your hand from the top. No, move your hand. Keep your hands away. Okay, do it now.
Move. Stop. Move.
Beautiful, Manjot Singh. That's a good trick.